Okay, traders. Yes, welcome to a quick market outlook on gold. So this is Gold Spot and it is analysis for the coming week, and this will be from 17th of March to 21st of March. So it is just a 5 days market move on gold. So it is a top-down analysis from monthly frame, then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame. But for the purpose of this analysis, I'll be pointing out some market structures in 1-hour time frame now for the possible entries in the coming week. So make sure that you watch this analysis until the 1-hour time frame. So actually in this analysis, I'll be pointing out the trend lines, support and resistance, the candlestick patterns, and also the market candlestick structures like the head and shoulder pattern, and also I'll be pointing out the triangle and other available structures in the analysis. So in monthly time frame, actually we see there are no bigger changes now since previous week. Now we saw gold was holding with the upward move. Now the in bullish momentum, actually we have left with 15 days for the monthly candlestick to close. Now anything can happen. Now maybe buyers can continue pushing price to the upside, or sellers may come in and push price to the downside now in the remaining days of this month. But all in all, now we see buyers are dominating market directions at the moment. Then quickly in weekly time frame, now let us see what are the key things. Yes, okay, so in weekly time frame now what we see is now price is still praying in this channel. Now it has been several months back now since July, so price has been holding within this channel and there's no any possibility of maybe coming out in the near future. So actually we are in the middle of the channel, so price can either push to the upside to the upper channel or can push to the downside to the lower channel. So at least when price is near to the channels, we can understand now the possibility of either breaking the channel or bouncing away from the channel. So currently we're at the middle of the channel and there's no any decision on whether price is going to move outside of the channel. So now now we see this week actually price is strongly pushed to the upside and broke above this level where price was trading below for almost 4 weeks now. So breaking above now is an indicator of increase in the bullish momentum, and actually we see weekly candlestick closed with the bullish momentum as usual, so the further push to the upside. But before price pushing to the upside, we may expect also a retest at this level. So in lower time frames, we'll understand exactly what is possibly going to happen. So that is all. Then in daily time frame, now what are the key things? Okay, so now daily time frame has few things here in addition to what has been highlighted in weekly time frame. Now what we see here is just a clear 3-wave swing to the upside. We see a 3-wave swing to the upside, and now this doesn't mean that maybe it is completely now a 3-wave swing. So anything can happen. Price may correct and form the 5th wave to the upside, but all in all, up to the moment, we see a 3-wave swing. So with this formation, several things are possible. Several things are possible here now, because we see we had this correction in the 4th wave. So when you look on balance between the 4th wave and the 2nd wave, there is no clear balance, because now the 2nd wave was too big and actually the 4th wave is small. So actually there's a possibility of maybe the 4th wave still being formed here. So what is expected now, the overall picture is now price may still have some movements to the downside like this one in completion of this 4th wave. So possibly, because if this movement to the upside is just a 3-wave move, so it is a corrective, so possibly price may complete with the 5-wave move down here. So here will be the 4th wave, and then finally we'll be looking for the 5th wave to the upside. So this is possible. And also price may do something different, whereby price may correct here and continue with the 5th wave to the upside. So anything is possible in daily time frame. So all in all, price has broken above the level, so we'll be watching for the possible retest of this level. If price will break below the level, so we may watch for the 28 28.30. So we may watch for the 28.30 level where price may be supported and continue to the upside. Okay, then in 4-hour time frame, now let us see what are the key things. Yeah, so 4-hour time frame has got a lot of things, but it is just details of the daily time frame. We see the 3-wave swing to the upside is clear here, and price has developed a channel and is moving within a channel. So now what are the important things to highlight here is just we are looking for the possible move of price outside of the channel, and currently we are trading right at the lower channel, so possibly price may break and move out of this channel to the downside. And in lower time frames, now below 4-hour time frames, we can see price has clearly already broken the level, but it is trading above this level. So also we are waiting for this level also to break for the sell direction to be confirmed. So actually once the level is broken, so we'll be watching for the possible price of 29.55. so we'll be watching for the price level of 29.55 at the first target, but price may move further to the downside. So now the downward movement is also supported by the candlestick formation. So if you look on these two candlesticks here, they suggest a possible fall in price, unless price is going to close above these two candles, is when now this formation will be now violated. But up to the moment, the railway track formation is still valid because price is trading below this formation, so that is powerful. And also looking here clearly, you can find a sort of head and shoulder pattern now, which will be more clear in lower time frames, but even here you can see possibly a sort of head and shoulder pattern. If we switch to line, so if you see line graph, so you may understand now clearly there's a possible sort of head and shoulder that may suggest a possible fall in price. Yes, so that is all in 4-hour time frame. So let us see the final time frame, that is the 1-hour time frame. Let us see the formation in 1-hour time frame. So in 1-hour time frame, actually everything is clear, and it is all about the possible push to the look closely. Now you'll realize that price is playing below the trend line. Currently price is below the trend line. Okay, so now what you are waiting is just a break of this level. Now break below 29.80. so once price has closed below 29.8, we'll be looking for the possible target of 29.70. mostly we can take targets at 29.70, and once this is also broken, so you'll be also watching for the next level of 29.55. so these are the two targets that we are taking as primary targets now for the coming week with the sell direction. So into the upside, now we expect, now if it happens, now price goes above this level, now 29.90, so we may possibly watch for the buy opportunities, but we'll be taking short targets with the first target at 3,000 actually. So we may take the first target at 3,000, and if price will continue moving further above 3,000, so you may continue taking buys actually by watching the level of the trend line, maybe around 3,024 or 30 in any way. So that's how you're going to trade now next week. So make sure that you do your own analysis, watch analysis from other traders, and also make sure that you watch the news and trade outside news hours. Have a powerful weekend.